to Talking Numbers and NKE. Nike shares falling around 4% today. Here's the thing. Company beat the street, but says it expects currency headwinds to impact growth down the road. But is this drop a buying opportunity? Let's start Talking Numbers, everybody. On the technicals, Ryan Detrick with Schaefer's Investment Research. On the fundamentals, Paul Swinan covers Nike for Morningstar. Paul, what say you? Are you advising people, clients, whatever, to buy Nike on this weakness?
Yeah, we still think the shares are a little rich. In other words, Nike's always been a company we've long admired, but you would have been much better off putting money to work when, the outlook was much poorer. Now they're firing on all cylinders, so the expectations are still high, even with the shares down 4%.
What about the charts, Ryan? What are they telling us about Nike?
Right here, when you look at the charts, long term, this one's looked good for a while. It continues to look good. What we saw recently back in February, the 200-day moving average, a long-term moving average, we went right down to 70, tested it, and went up. That says the bulls are still in charge. Now, getting to a little shorter term, I do have some concerns at the 80 level. We had a nice double top there, pulling back today. But what I am encouraged by is where we bottom today, right at that 50-day moving average, another trend line people follow. That's been support a couple times in the past. So to me, yeah, near term, as long as we keep consolidating here, I'd still be a buyer here.
Just quickly, the double top, I'm not going to question the technicals. You know a lot more about it than I do, but double top's generally not a good thing at all.
Well, exactly. And again, what we want we want a lot of those technicians to come out and say that. We want the crowd to keep saying that. The guest before me just mentioned, the sentiment. There's been a lot of bearish puts coming in on this one. Short interest, there's a little bit of short interest. Analysts, there's more holds than buys from the analysts. So to me, there's not a lot of optimism on this one. I still like that for an upward price action.
Okay, bit of a contrarian view. Guys, thank you very much. And folks, be sure to check out the online edition of Talking Numbers, part of our partnership with Yahoo Finance.